Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in Pakistan 5 days internet totally shut down because of political issues. That is why I am offline. Now we are back again. In this video I will share single number, double number and 3 straight number for the Uk49 lunchtime and tea time also 16 May 2023. This video maybe go along 4 or 5 minutes, so it's my request to everyone, watch video till the end. And 5 days I am not uploading video on my YouTube channel because of in Pakistan totally shut down of internet because of political issues. Let's start. For the Uk49 lunchtime and tea time 16 May, single numbers 04 17 18 21 33 35 37. For the double numbers 04 17 04 18 04 21 04 33 04 35 04 37. 17 18 17 21 17 33 17 35 17 37 18 21 18 33 18 35 18 37 21 33 21 35 21 37 33 35 33 37 35 37. Double numbers, if you want 3 straight number 04 17 18 04 17 21 04 17 20 33 04 17 35 04 17 37. 17 18 21 17 18 33 17 18 35 17 18 37. 18 21 33 18 21 35 18 21 37 21 33 37. 3 straight number, double number and single number. Thank you for watching video. Take care.